1. Are online Quran courses suitable for beginners? Yes, online Quran courses cater to learners of all levels, including beginners. These courses often offer structured curriculum starting from the basics of Quranic recitation, pronunciation, and understanding. With the guidance of qualified instructors, beginners can comfortably embark on their Quranic education journey online. 2. Can I receive individualized attention and feedback in online Quran courses? Yes, online Quran courses prioritize individualized attention to ensure students receive proper guidance and feedback. Instructors are dedicated to monitoring each student's progress, offering personalized support, and providing feedback to help them improve their Quranic recitation and understanding. 3. How do online Quran courses accommodate busy schedules? Online Quran courses are designed to provide flexibility to accommodate busy schedules. With recorded lessons, students can access course materials at any time convenient for them. Additionally, online platforms often offer the option to schedule live sessions with instructors, allowing students to find a time that fits their commitments.